Hey folks, today I'm putting a battery meter in the battery box. I've got all the ingredients here. I've got the battery box, the meter, shunt comes with the meter. I made up a cable there, heavy duty one, to go between the battery and the shunt. Okay, so I've carefully cut out a hole for the meter, a couple of holes drilled there for the shunt, and the meter you just pop in there. Show you shortly. Alright, the monitor's in there, the shunt's in there, all wired up. Time to put the battery in. How do you know? How do you know which way the display goes? Well, you don't. That might give you some idea. The picture's upside down on the back of the thing. So there you go. Alright, there it is, all assembled. And it's working. And the display is actually the right way up. Yeah, it's a 50-50 shot, isn't it? Alright. There's our settings there I've got to work out. Won't worry about it now. Wire it up pretty easy. There is a wiring diagram. And I'll show you that. Thanks for watching. Have fun.